Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful turban for a 3-month-old baby. Right here is our fabric, and the length of the fabric we're working with is 18 inches while the width is 18 inches as well. The first thing we did was to fold this in two, then we folded it all over again, making it 4. Then the next thing we did was to mark out 9 inches from one edge to the other end of the fold. After we're done doing that, we went ahead to cut this out. So once we are done cutting this out, we went ahead to open it up. With our needle and thread, we are going to gather around the open edges. After we are done gathering this, I went ahead to pin each edge together, okay? One edge of the fabric to this other edge. So we are going to fasten this and knot it very well, so it's going to stay put. So once you're done knotting this to your satisfaction, this is how the inside is going to look like. Alright, so we're going to turn this inside out and set it aside. So at this particular point, you can decide to add a bow or a rose at the front of your turban. But for me, I'll be adding a round knot. So this is the fabric strap we have folded into 2, and we have 29 inches. So when you add it together, we have almost 60 inches. Remember, our strap is folded in 2. The next thing I did was to take this to the sewing machine and I stitched this area all to the end. So this is what we have here. We've actually gone ahead to iron this as well. So we are going to be marking out 5 inches. We'll fold this like so and take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down. So guys, can you see what we have here? Now I'll go ahead to turn this inside out. Okay, this is how I'll be folding it. We're going to fold this until the strap goes round that small 5 inches we sewed together. So guys, while folding this round that 5 inches we marked earlier, kindly make sure that your folds are very neat. This is actually going to give you a very beautiful knot. All right, so guys, at this point, this is what our knot is looking like with little leftover we have. Then with another fabric, I went ahead to mark out 3 inches by 5 inches. Alright, then I use this fabric scrap to just fold in the middle. Then I also knot this together, and we're going to be using this to beautify the middle part of our knot. Then we're going to be inserting this in the middle of our knots, just like this. Okay, then the next thing we did was to find an open space on the turban. This is where we're going to be fixing this leftover inside. Okay, we are going to fix this, and once we have it inside, we'll go ahead and knot this down. We're taking my needle inside, and once we have it inside, this leftover we have here, I'll fold this neatly. Then I'll fold it as well and make sure I tuck it inside the knot. I don't know, can you see what I'm doing here? Just tuck it inside the knot, making sure the edges are folded properly. Then use your needle and your thread to neatly stitch this. Alright, so at the end of your turban, you won't be seeing any edge left out. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you actually found this helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section, and most importantly, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.